After the last failure, Princess Yang drove 300 km back home with an empty trailer. She had to sleep at the truck stop that night. This time she decided to change, but luck wasn't on her side. Another trouble came her way. You can be poor, but never lazy. Your life is given by your parents, but your path is yours to walk. If you can't make big money, then don't give up the chance to earn small money. This world is very realistic. If you don't work hard, no one will give you what you want. Isn't that true? My 5-axle trailer really has no jobs right now. At least I made it home safe. I'm gonna wash the truck first, then park this big trailer at the lot, and find a new partner for my truck head. Well, yeah, I'm getting a new trailer. Then I'll go check out some options. Before that, I'll clean the truck and leave it at home. Can't wait to meet my new daughter-in-law. Let's go. Time to move. Princess Yang had just driven a short distance, when suddenly the truck started acting up. Broken. No throttle. Why is it jerking like this? And this warning light, why did it suddenly show up? What's going on here? With the truck like this, I don't even dare to move. I'd better call for roadside help. Hello? Hi, I'd like to ask something. When I start the truck, the dashboard lights up. And then, once I move, it makes a clicking sound. And then it pops up not exactly an error, just like a small wheel icon, you know? 2 tires, with a little circle in between. And inside the circle, there's a yellow cross.
Oh, you mean a warning light came on, right?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not even moving the truck. It's some kind of...
E-type, yeah.
An H with a circle?
And a cross inside. And it's yellow.
Yeah, let's see. When I stop, it's totally quiet. But it buzzes when I move. It's really bad. I'm worried. I'm heading over now. Are you available?
Yeah, I'm available.
All right, okay.
Yeah.
She drove slowly, not daring to push the truck any further. Every strange sound made her more uneasy. All she could do now was head straight to the repair shop, hoping it wasn't something serious. After a tense drive, Yang finally made it to the repair shop. Next, her conversation with the mechanic begins. Oh, hey, big brother. Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while.
If nothing was wrong with my truck, I wouldn't come here.
Let me check.
Look, this light. No idea when you'll fix it. Honestly, I might just leave it here. Do an oil change and full checkup. I don't even know when the oil was last changed. Can you take care of it for me? I'm in a hurry to go check another vehicle.
All right, just leave it here.
Okay, I'll leave the keys with you.
All right, I'll check it for you.
My truck. I'll have to leave it at the shop. Just let it sit there for now. I can't waste time. Let's get moving. Princess Yang borrowed the mechanic's car to go check a new trailer. After a long and exhausting journey, finally Yang Xiaoying arrived. Liaoning Jintianma Special Vehicle Manufacturing Co., Ltd. Finally, a good stretch. Finally, I've arrived. I'm already inside the yard. In a moment. I'll show you guys around. Give me some advice, all right? After that, Princess Yang couldn't wait to see her truck. But the presenter said, "Hold on, don't rush. Let me show you something more interesting. You've always been curious about that coating process, right?
You won't know until you see it.
But once you do, it's shocking. Hey guys, do you know this chassis right here? How many steps does it take to finish one? Come on, I'll take you guys to see. First step. We lift the chassis with this giant machine. The workers then inspect every inch, 365 degrees, with total precision. Only when it's flawless does it move to the next stage. Then, a factory worker took Yang Xiaoying to tour the production line. He began explaining everything to Yang Xiaoying. They produce around 40 units a day, and now, she's being shown the core process. The coating line has 13 stages in total. Each step carefully treats the surface of the trailer. First, the metal is cleaned, removing oil and impurities. Then it goes through soaking and further treatment. Everything is done with precision, from every angle. Watching this, even Yang was impressed. I've seen everything I needed to see, and in the end, I made my decision. I ordered a new one. As for which model, take a guess. Let's see who gets it right. About 30 days from now, I'll come back to pick it up. I'll drive my truck head here. End of episode 3.